Okay, so let me close the door. I just got into my new apartment and here's the bedroom. It is a little small in the bedroom. I was thinking about making this the living room just because the living room is so big, and I'm just like, here's my little kitchenette, little small sink. And then here's the bathroom, nice size shower. And then we got the baño, and then we got the sink. And then is this a little medicine cabinet? No, no storage in here. And then I have this closet, good size. I have the refrigerator, don't ask why it's in here. Here's the living room, like my bed could fit like perfectly right there. But I mean, I don't want a fridge. You know, I might move the fridge in there just because it's smaller, you know, but I don't know. We'll play around with it. I'm like, have to see where the bed fits and where it looks good. So we'll definitely get that reviewed and done. So I'm super excited to be in my first apartment in 4 years. Okay, it's not that hectic. This room is just full of all my belongings that I brought down. Okay, I got my internet stuff right here. Oh, look at that mess. I'm gonna have to put all this away. This is my bed. I'm gonna start inflating that. It's a memory foam bed. I bought one 5 years ago. Still good. I left it with Rob. Need to put my desk together. So it's gonna be bed, internet, desk, and then this general stuff. So let's get started. All rolled up for you. Oh god. Let me tell you, most comfortable bed I've ever purchased. Let that air up a little bit. I got a full-size 10-inch. That's what I have in Michigan. And this brand cool job. Honestly, these beds are so freaking comfortable. And so I'm gonna let it, just gonna pop some holes in the top, let it air up. Takes a while for it to inflate. It takes about 24 hours, but I'm gonna have to sleep on it tonight. I might make this room the living room because it's a little smaller. And like, I like the natural light. So I'm like, I can move my fridge in here, maybe with Adrian's help. And then this could be my bedroom. So we'll see, because I can always switch around. We're gonna hook up the modem and then hook up the router and then see if we can't get a signal in this beach. I paid for this last week. And yeah, sorry, this is not aesthetic. So we're gonna put this in here, screw it in. My hands are like all freaking cut up because I'm just like an erratic mess. I stabbed myself with a safety pin. Okay, so they're both powering up. This is what it looks like for now. I just need to get everything settled before I start like finding permanent spots for this because I might move it over to the other corner. So I'm putting my desk together. I'm a very ambitious person. Okay, let's put these right side up. Oops. See? Starting to look like a desk, I guess. And that was easier than I expected. Oh. Maybe I should put my, I don't know where I should put my desk. Thought about getting wheels for this, which honestly seems like a good idea. And then we'll get the top on and then the desk will be done. And I need to freaking mop this entire apartment. That's why I'm going to the store. Cause literally I was walking around with my socks on and no girl. So I'm going to be sweeping. Where's my little pile? I'm gonna do the hallway with the little kitchen and then this room. And then I'm gonna go eat, let it dry, you know. And then I am going to come back and do the other room. So just wanna get it clean. So let's get it going. Ay. I'm eating food. I'm starving. Now it's time to do my bed frame. Oh, it comes with a little wrench. Okay, part one. It will fit in this corner. So I am headed to the Salvation Army, and it's 3 miles north. I am going to try to find a lamp for the living room and maybe some furniture. I don't know if they'll deliver, but it would be great if they did. So we'll see what we find at Salvation Army, you know, even maybe a picture for the wall. Try our best to find some home decor for the apartment on the low, okay? But I'm like, literally I saw lamps at IKEA for like $10. And I'm like, these lamps better be $10. I'm like, sort of like, sometimes I'm like, obviously how much mass-produced things are and how cheap they can get it, it's crazy. Not even the thrift stores are cheap anymore. So let's see if I can figure out how to, you know, decorate my apartment, get some furniture maybe, and go, you know, maybe get a lamp. I will follow up when I'm there. So I found nothing. It was all overpriced. And now I'm at Three Birds Tavern. And it is so cute. I've drove past this so many times. So this is the American Italian sandwich from Lala's. It is my favorite sandwich in St. Pete. Let me tell you that. So I'm gonna go eat the hell out of it. Don't look at the face, but it is a dog bar. You can get in. Come on, you get over here too. So what are your names?
Oh, are we in video? I'm Olivia.
Yeah, no, this is video. I just moved here.
Welcome.
This is my first weekend.
Really? For real? All right, let's take a picture and then let's chat.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You're taking video.
Yeah. So I went to IKEA. And honestly, I should have looked there before because hashtag reasonably priced. I probably got a bunch of stuff that I needed for $50. And yeah, this is a shoe rack for the closet. I am going to eat first because I am starving. I had like 4 drinks last night and I'm hungover. So let's get into it. It's gonna be 83 degrees today. Okay, that's weird. Now it's 77 degrees. It's gonna be 78. I'm like 83, shit. Like I'm gonna need to turn on the AC, but I bought some rags at IKEA that I'm gonna shove in there to like absorb the water that is in there because I put like hydrogen peroxide. I did a cleaner the day before with diluted water, and then I, you know, sprayed it in there, washed it with a rag in a bucket, and then I rinsed it with water. And then the next day I went back with hydrogen peroxide to really like kill that mold. And there's still some water still in the base of the freaking AC, which it just frustrates me a little bit because they're just like, yeah, it's Florida mold, and I'm like, this is like horrible mold. If anybody's like, oh my god, I have mold in this, take photos before you clean it, because now I cleaned it and now they'll like go in and probably be like, these are fine. So document before you do anything. So it'd be nice to have 2 end tables on the side of the bed. I've never had that before. I have a light for the living room. I have a light for on the table near my side of the bed. It's gonna be super cute, and I'm super excited to like get this a little bit more put together. Both of the couches that I was looking for were unfortunately sold today. So maybe I can find one on Facebook Marketplace and be like, I will be there tomorrow. I got the ACs pretty well cleaned. I have a couch coming, yay. I got this lamp yesterday from IKEA, and the light bulb changes from cool to warm tones. And then I found another coax cable connection for the internet, and so I'm gonna clean this up and then probably like get a little bench right there, put some pillows, and then put the internet equipment underneath. I might, behind the couch, run the internet over here. I don't know yet. I don't know where I really want to put it. So Stay tuned on that. Did towels, bleached the heck out of them. Whoops, didn't read the instructions. And I bought some caster wheels for my desk so I can roll it out here if I want to.